everyone, it's Janet and welcome to my channel. Happy Friday, and if it's Friday, it's time to get your weekend started right with a quick 3-minute card tutorial to relax you and get some creative mojo started. This week I'm featuring another house mouse card. I love these little guys, don't you? A few weeks ago the Stupendous blog team hosted a house mouse hop and I was the lucky winner pulled from the comments. I was so excited to find out that I'd won. I got to pick a stamp of my choice from the new January catalog, and so I picked this set called Birthday Splash. Thanks, Stupendous, for the lovely gift. There are so many cute sentiments to go along with the two mouse images in this. I was especially taken with that cake image. That little mouse is determined to eat that slice of cake, and his mouse bestie is just as determined to make his dream come true. Now that's what I call a real friend. In this week's Fast Friday video, I'm going to show you how I put together this 5x5 card, which I colored with my Spectrum Noir markers and accented with dewdrops from Honeybee stamps. So let's get started and have a great weekend.
Thank you for visiting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this Fast Friday project. If you did, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and here's some other videos that you might like. That'll do it for me today. I'll see you soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye!